my mind. Oh, she's hot but aside.
Hi my beautiful sparkles. Hi my beautiful sparkles. Big welcome to my sparkly channel. I hope you all doing great. So in this video I am going to show you different DIY using creatives. This DIY is very easy and fun to do. You can do this with your kids or your schoolmates.
Before starting to the video, please subscribe to my channel and be officially sparkle. Also click on that bell icon to notify. To make this beautiful flower DIY, use a Q-tip and dip it in yellow. For the flower petal, I use round shaped cotton pad. Then with the hot glue, I stick Q-tip in the center of cotton pad like this. For the branch, I use a newspaper and roll it like this to make a stick. Secure with the glue. I made 4 of these, one for each flower, and painted in green. Then trim out the uneven part. And finally insert bottom of Q-tip and secure with glue. And again for the leaf I use newspaper painted in green and stick it like this. That's it, we are done. I made only 4, you can make as much you want, and it's so beautiful. Now come for the second DIY, Q-tip wall hanging. To make this beautiful wall hanging, I use this yellow color Q-tip. Then cut both sides of cotton like this. And here is I separated both. Then using needle and thread, and I started beading like this. To hang this we need a loop, so here I grab 3 pieces and connecting together like. At the end, tie a knot to secure and trim out the extra thread. Then I draw a diamond shape on the cardboard and cut out. You can choose your own desired shape like circle, square, whatever. But I choose the diamond shape, and finally I am gluing all the cotton bud that we are separated before. And we are only gluing on the edges of cardboard. And I made 4 of these. The center part I use this sparkly sheet and drawing small diamond shape. Cut out and finally gluing this in the center. And here's the long pieces that we created, and now it's time to stick. It completely dry and we are done. I love how sparkly it turned out. We can decorate it at the corner of our room and it looks so good. And here is the third DIY. To make these cutie sunflower pieces, we are going to create 2 circles on board. Trim out and making small circle inside. I use yellow Q-tip cut into half and start gluing on the edges of the circle. Then I created same. Again for the center I use this brown glitter sheet, tracing circle, cut out, and finally sticking at the center. Wow! Then here is a cardboard piece which is left over from my last Kulhar DIY. And here I am creating a box kind of thing, so securing with tape, and yes, this is the final. You can also glue this, but I cover it with paper. Finally gluing my flower. For the branch I use this green Q-tip, cut out the cotton side and sticking like this. I made 2 lines to make it thick. And then trim out extra. Leaf, we paint it green and then trim out and finally stick. This one is my favorite out of all cause it's sparkly, easy and summery. And come for the final one, a dancing Barbie. First print out a dancing girl and cutting like this and tracing a dress on pink paper. Finally sticking on the paper. The dress of my Barbie girl, I use this yellow Q-tip and painting it pink. Obviously pink for the Barbie. And then here I started sticking all Q-tip on paper. I did it randomly. Just cut out one side and sticking randomly. Fill all the dress. I'm sticking upside like this. And here is the final. Then I only use the cotton side and here I am covering the gap which is showing through. And then cut out extra paper with scissor. I suggest you use small scissor. Really very hard to use big scissor for the corner or small edges. To trim top part I use X-Acto knife, just tracing the edges. Then I decided to give sparkly body to my Barbie dolls, so here I use blue glitter. I also use my chunky glitter nail polish for her dress and head. With black Sharpie, I am giving it finished look and here is my sparkly Barbie.
So I hope you guys like this video. If you like, please do a big thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on that bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload new video. If you're recreating any of my DIYs, do share your recreation on my Instagram. I will feature your recreation on my videos. That's it for this video. See you in my next video. Love you so much guys. Bye. I found a sticker which is perfectly matched to my outfit. Nice.